Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It is day 23 of December. Look at this little door 23 with all the hearts on. It's just waiting for us. Oh, here comes Mia climbing down. Oh, Mia's just fallen down. Oh, Mia. Oh, and she's fallen down again. It's a dangerous business opening up Lego Friends Advent calendars. Let's just shove her in here safely while we open up door number 23. Hope she doesn't fall out again, because nobody wants to go to hospital for Christmas. It is not a fun thing to do. We've got a Christmas tree to build. That's so cool. All right, pull it out. Try not to fall off any more places, Mia, and take it over to the building table. And let's get it open. I love all these different shades of green. Such a colourful Christmas tree. Let's see how we go about building this. So we need brown for the tree trunk, and then we are going to alternate these light greens and dark greens around the base. And then we're going to need one of the little circles, I think, to put on top here. And we put these ones up here. We're going to put some little baubles underneath these shorter ones, because it gets smaller, like the branches get smaller the further you go up the tree. Some more little baubles or little Christmas lights underneath. And, okay, I needed to put some more tree trunk on there. There, that's looking a bit better. Now surely we need another circle. No, we need to put on our piece with holes in it. Is that where the string's going to go through? Maybe. I suppose we'll find out when we finish. And we got a star on the top. We pretty much are finished. We've got a few more baubles. They belong down here. I forgot to put them on. Fixed now. Ta-da! That's such a cute little Christmas tree. Let's go and hang it on, well, the big Christmas tree. A little Christmas tree for the big Christmas tree. Here's a good spot for it. It's not going to be hidden in all of this green because it's got its own colours of green. Oh, thank you, Mia. Oh my goodness. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, guys. I'll see you tomorrow to open up the last door of the Advent calendar. I'm kind of sad and kind of really excited, so I'll see you then. Bye.